1990 Kawasaki GPZ500S, where we explore legendary machines that shaped the motorcycle world. Today, we're taking a ride back in time to the iconic 1990 Kawasaki GPZ500S, a bike that perfectly blended performance, practicality, and everyday usability. Checkered flag history and background. The Kawasaki GPZ500S was introduced as a lightweight, rider-friendly sport bike that could do it all in 1990. It stood out as a smart choice for riders who wanted sporty performance without the intimidating power of larger machines. It became especially popular among beginners and commuters, offering reliability and fun in one affordable package. Gear, engine, and performance. At the heart of the GPZ500S is a 498 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers smooth and predictable power. It may not be the fastest bike out there, but it offers a balanced performance that's perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. The engine is responsive, easy to control, and forgiving, making it ideal for new riders learning the ropes while still being enjoyable for experienced riders. Artist palette, design and styling. The 1990 GPZ500S carries that classic 90s sport bike look: simple, clean, and purposeful. With its half-fairing design, sporty stance, and bold graphics, it had just the right amount of aggression without going over the top. It's not flashy by today's standards, but it has a timeless charm that many riders still appreciate. Comfort and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the GPZ500S is its comfortable riding position. Unlike aggressive supersport bikes, this one offers a more relaxed posture, making it suitable for longer rides. The lightweight frame and predictable handling make it easy to maneuver, whether you're riding through city traffic or enjoying twisty roads. Wrench, reliability and practicality. Kawasaki built this bike to last. The GPZ500S is known for its durability, low maintenance costs, and excellent fuel efficiency. It's a bike you can rely on daily, whether it's commuting, weekend rides, or even beginner touring adventures. Money bag value for riders. Back in 1990, the GPZ500S offered incredible value for money, and even today in the used market, it remains a budget-friendly option for riders looking to enter the world of motorcycling. It's proof that you don't need massive horsepower to enjoy the ride. Checkered flag, final verdict. The 1990 Kawasaki GPZ500S is a true all-rounder. It may not be the most powerful or the most modern, but it delivers where it matters: reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. For many riders, this bike was the beginning of their journey, and even today, it remains a respected name in the motorcycle world. Bell outro, Speed Riders. Thanks for tuning in to Speed Riders. If you enjoy exploring classic bikes like the GPZ500S, make sure to subscribe for more content. Ride safe, stay passionate, and we'll see you in the next one.